So guys, first come to this websites gigabyte.com, and this is official website. Then you can see here search key, so click and type model number Z890 AORUS Elite X ICE and then hit enter. Click to product. Then click to here. This is Wi-Fi 7 and this is then click to support. Audio driver, so click to download. You can see here this size. Now this is starting downloading. You can see here 165 MB. So guys, this is downloading. Just click to single click to open. Okay, double click, wait few seconds. After that, automatically start for downloading. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Now this is extracting data to your system for the installation. You can see here Realtek high audio driver, definitions audio driver, DCH. So it is installing in the system of background, so no worry about it. Wait few seconds. Okay. After that, it is closed automatically, means this is installed.